Kailangan pa ba talaga ng website kung meron naman na kaming FB page at Shopee or Lazada para sa business namin? Yes, kung long-term ang goal mo para sa business mo. Think of this. FB, Shopee, TikTok Shop, Lazada, all these platforms are like rented space. Parang nirerentahan mo sila para magbenta ka ng produkto on their platforms. Pero in due time, pwede magkaroon ng mga bago sa algorithm, mga mechanics nila or guidelines nila na pwedeng hindi na maging aligned sa product mo pag dumating yung oras. Parang pwede kang paalisin anytime pag nangungupahan ka, di ba? Pero kung meron kang sariling website, you own that platform. Ano nga bang benefits ng may website? Number one, it builds credibility and professionalism. Mas naging credible and professional yung business mo dahil they can find you and search you easily online. Number two, it actually lets you collect details and information from your customers, which allows you to nurture your customers and build a loyal community. Number three, control mo ang customer journey. Walang distractions, walang nag-aabang sa algorithm, walang hinihintay kung kailan ako ipupush ng algorithm sa platform na yon because you own your own platform. So bottom line, FB, Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop is good for your business if hindi long-term yung goal mo para sa business mo. Pero if you are aiming for long-term scalability and growth, mas maganda mayroon kang sariling website. Again, I'm not saying it's required pag meron ka ng mga platforms na yon, pero if you're going to think of long-term, mas better pa rin na may sarili kang platform that you actually own. Hope this helps.